So now we get to one of the really cool things about WordPress, and what you can do with it is that you can use things that are called themes to completely change the look and feel of your site. So instead of having to hire a designer to make it look good and put graphics and this and that and change all the fonts, we're just going to upload a theme, and that's going to totally change the look and feel of the site. So in order, every WordPress site to get to the admin area, you just go here and whatever the name of the site is, and then you do /wp-admin. So you go there, and it's going to ask you to log in. So we're going to go back and remember the password that we got here and the username that we set here. So I'm just going to copy and paste those. And log in. So now this is going to take us to the WordPress back end of the site. This is where you can control all of the settings within WordPress. It's kind of like the control panel for your site, but specific to WordPress. When you're running a site, you're going to be spending many hours in here composing your posts, adding your products if you're doing an e-commerce site, writing your pages, and then tweaking all the different settings. So let's just do a little test here. So if you go to posts, it's going to show you a list of all their posts. So now we just start with Hello World. This is their test post that they have here, and if you click on that, it brings you to a text editor where you can put in whatever you want, add pictures, and then when you just click update, then that will update the live post that your visitors see when they come to your blog. But first, what we're going to do is change the theme because, as you saw, the original site is just kind of a boring, plain old theme, and we want something that is going to help us sell and is going to be structured around products rather than posts. So to change a theme, what you do is go to Appearance and then click over to Themes. And go up here, you can see WordPress comes with some free pre-installed themes that you can try. So if you were to click over to these, it would change the look and feel of your site to the themes that you see here. But I've gone ahead and downloaded the theme that we're going to be using, which is called Wootique, like boutique, but it's made by a company called Woo Themes. And when you get a theme, it's just comes in a little zip file like this. So you've downloaded your zip file, and you click Choose, and go find it. Yeah, KCDC, Wootique. That's the name of the theme, and just click Install Now. And unpacking, installing, theme installed successfully. So now if you were to click Activate, you're going to see that when you go back to dcgifts.net, you're going to have a completely different look and feel to the site. So here it's called Wootique, homepage, sample page, but as you can see, it's not really complete. There's nothing here yet. And the reason for that is because Wootique works with a plugin that's called WooCommerce. And what WooCommerce does is gives you the ability to put products on your site. As you know, as we said before, WordPress is posts and pages, but for e-commerce we also need products. So that's what WooCommerce does, is it gives us products and it gives us a shopping cart so that people can add the products to the cart and then pay for them. So the way we do that is click on Appearance and, we go down to Plugins and Add New Plugin. And this is exactly the same as adding our theme, so we just click Upload. And I've here downloaded the WooCommerce theme, so I'm just going to do Choose WooCommerce, Install Now. So that's now, when you're installing this, it's important to remember you're not installing this on your own computer. You're making changes to the software that's located on your host. So it's making changes to the folders that are offsite in your host. So when we click Activate Plugin, we should see, once it's totally activated, that now we have what is a very basic, very version 1.0 e-commerce site. So as you can see, now our homepage is going to have featured products. It's going to have ability to search for products. It's going to have a shopping cart. And it's going to have you can still have posts, you can still have comments, you can still have archives, just like a typical blog. But now we're going to be able to create products and check out using the shopping cart. So that does it for this video, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to configure some of the basic settings within WooCommerce so that you can start adding products and make the site look a little bit more personalized.